most important things is you have to identify each column, what is the format type for this column. For example, if you have numbers beside letters, so that means this column have to be formatted as a text. In the next column, if you have a date, you have to right click on the mouse, you go for the format cell, from format cell you go for the date, and you change it to the date format. So, and you do that for all your columns. You cannot leave anything in your data without cleaning. So you have to check every column. This column budget and this is revenue. This should be as a money, so should be supposed to be in dollar sign. You have to be converted to dollar. So now it changed to dollar. You need to do all the things. You cannot leave your data without identifying each column what they mean. So otherwise you will receive multiple errors. The second thing, if you receive multiple data and you work with one format, you change it to another format. For example, here we have the temperature. We need to change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So you just have to put the function instead of convert it one by one. You put equal sign, then you put convert. After that, you open the parentheses and you put the B2. The data is on B2. So convert, you have to be B2, and then you put the comma, and then we have to put the double quotation marks, and instead that you have to put the change from Fahrenheit, so it have to be capital, and then you have to put the comma and then double quotation, and you have to put the degree in Celsius, that means is S. You have both sides S, and then we close this the parentheses, and you have the temperature in Celsius. You drag it down for all this, so you'll see all the for others. If you need to change it from Celsius to F, you just change from here to put Celsius, and then here you put the Fahrenheit. So this is just an example of the cleaning data from dirty to clean. You have to clean, you have to merge before you work on it. Before you do an analysis, you have to clean your data. See you in the next video. Please subscribe and leave comment. See you in the next video.